back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right there, really easy, simple, super tasty spinach cream sauce with pasta. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we're going to be needing. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we'll be using today. Really simple. Pasta of your choice, cooked. I'm using a small fusilli, but you could be using anything you want. Here I've got some cream, single runny cream. So I've got like a cupful there. Can you see that? It's not a thick cream, single cream. Some onions chopped. Here I've got some cooked spinach. Now I got this frozen and then defrosted it. It also comes in a tin or a can. You could use that or fresh. Cook it. If you're using fresh, make sure you give it a nice wash because you get little bits of stone and dirt in the fresh stuff. Bit of parmesan. We're going to grate some of that on. Some dried herb, which is an oregano or oregano. You could be using a basil or an Italian type mixed one. And then plenty of chopped fresh garlic. That's pretty much about it. We're going to start this off with a touch of olive oil and a bit of salt and pepper. So, really easy. Like I say, got a pan here, got a touch of olive oil in there, just heating that up. We're going to start off by dropping in our onions and our garlic. Very simply, and for about 2 to 3 minutes on an above medium heat. Let's just fry these around and get these going. And just as these come together, we're now going to add some salt, some black pepper, our dried herb. I'm using oregano. Then we're going to add in our spinach, our cooked spinach. Get this in, and we need to fry this around again on this same heat. Stirring it pretty much all the time now. Again for about another 3 minutes. We really want to cook this spinach in, get all of that garlic and onions flavours in there. Okay, let's turn the heat down to a simmer. Got some lovely golden brown garlic in there. It's going to be really tasty. Simply, we're now going to add our single cream and our parmesan. I've grated it. I'm going to be quite generous with this. Stir this around and cook this. Keep stirring it all the time now on a low heat. 2 minutes. And there you go, you've got a lovely little spinach cream sauce there. If you wanted, maybe a few olives in there would be nice. Some cut sun-dried tomatoes, touch of paprika, maybe some chili. You can kind of take it in the direction you want. I'm now going to add in some cooked pasta into the mix. And again, because my pasta is cold, we're going to run this sauce through the pasta, stirring it, make sure you get it all over it for about 2 more minutes. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Super easy, really tasty. As you can see, I've just decorated this with some sliced tomatoes and some black olives. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.